So we left Trail Days on a rainy Friday evening, but we didn't head home. We headed over to Warriors Path State Park to camp for the night. We got there early enough though, maybe it would be a good excuse to go hiking. And this is the story of my little hiking adventure at Warriors Path State Park. So here's our camp over here at Warrior Path. When I picked it out, I put myself on what I thought was backing up on a trail. I guess the trail's way down there, so I have to go around and find it. But neither of us are hungry, so I'm gonna push off cooking and go and see if I can get just a little bit of hiking in. Hopefully it's not too wet to hike. We'll see when I find the trail. Whew. Well, I almost missed this one. This, I've got a Jeep with a tent on it. It's up there somewhere anyways. Alright. With a squirrel. Oh, that squirrel's chirping at me. No way that you can hear it probably, but he's going knock 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 knock. That's what a squirrel says. Knock 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 knock. And now if I could find that bird that was squawking at me too. Looks like the trail washed out, something built up around. Still, it's a pretty trail. You ever watch Miranda Outdoors? She's constantly making sound effects and fart jokes. So let me try it. Okay, there's a rock. That's kind of fun. Yeah. I think that's my problem. I have no character. I have nothing interesting to my personality. I'm like this. Just hiking along. Over there, oh, okay. One of those squirrels that likes to yell at me. You would go, tuck, tuck, tuck. Hey, look, I'm a squirrel. I don't know what any of that was. You know, I'm in the woods by myself. I can be as crazy as I want, right? Maybe. I don't know. Like this hard for me to become across. The only thing I think that's holding it up is roots. This pick is hollowed all the way out. Inside the campgrounds, you have a dedicated boat ramp. And looking at this, it might be pretty cool to bring the kayak out. Keep along there, just see what you see. No, I think there's more trail just on the other side. Let's look at some So if you ever come out here to Warriors Path, that's the bridge you probably drove in on. Almost loop back and around to the bridge. When I get up to there, I'll probably get back to the road and I'll take it back out to my campsite. I don't want to hike a whole lot more. Alright, it's being a little dark, it's starting to get a little dark, and it looks like that one takes another loop. It does not go right back to where I was. I think I need to get back across this road, head back down to where the trail turned up, and follow that. It's time to get back to camp. Nothing like following a trail that seems to just end. Maybe it's over there. There's nothing right here. Maybe this tree falling just made it hard to see. I'm not actually sure if this is a trail or not, but I can see the campground. So at least I'm close enough to get out, but I'm not sure if I'm somewhere I should be. Now that looks like a trail. But I'm back at camp. Let's go find the car. Alright, and this is the camp for this week. Just a good night. Then we're gonna go and get everything we missed at Trail Days taken care of tomorrow morning, and we'll head back. You learn something every day. My GoPro won't turn on while it's being charged. So we are just getting out of the showers and we're about to head home. I'm sitting here waiting on Carla to get her shower. She's a little slower than me. That's one benefit with staying at a state park, and you have showers. Now I have a shower built into the back of the Jeep here, but I don't think Carla's ready for it. I think using a bathhouse is probably what she would consider roughing it. It might be beyond what she considers roughing it. I may hear about it later. But we're gonna head back into Abingdon, which is a little ways away, but we have a few things we missed yesterday. We're gonna go hit the Abingdon Oil Company, and we're gonna go hit some yarn crap. I don't know. Makes her happy. Again, pro tip. Add some things in that she likes. Even if you don't like them, add a few of them in. And then some of the things you like, you'll get to do. Just some of them. So I got lucky. The yarn place that Carla wanted to come is right over here by the actual Virginia Creeper locomotive. So when you do the Virginia Creeper Trail, and I didn't do it this trip, but I usually do. I usually kind of go up and down it the whole time I'm here. But when you do the Virginia Creeper Trail, you'll find that it starts up in White Top, which is up on top of White Top Mountain. And then makes its way down to Damascus and then to Abingdon. Here in Abingdon, let me get across this track. At the terminus of the Creeper Trail, they have the actual Virginia Creeper locomotive. And this right here, this is the Virginia Creeper locomotive. And you have the terminus for the Virginia Creeper Trail. Probably it's one of my favorite trails. So I haven't been up here in a few years. I've got to get back out here. Seems like every time I come out here, though, it's rainy and soppy. Doing 80 miles, it's 30 something. I usually go back and forth. And doing 80 miles on a mountain bike in the rain is a special experience. One of those squirrels that likes to chirp at me.